guys are doing well. So this week's video is actually going to be a makeup tutorial. Valentine's Day is just around the corner. For you guys who don't know, it's February 14th and I decided to create a Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. Soft but dramatic and glittery and cute and all that kind of stuff. You guys can wear this day or night, whichever you prefer. If you guys are interested in how to get this look, then keep on watching. Hope you guys enjoy. So to start off, I'm going to moisturize my face with my Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer. Next, I'm going to prep my skin with the Professional Pro Balm to help minimize my pores. I just like to focus this around my nose area. Next, I'm just going to prime the rest of my face using the Benefit Professional Matte Rescue Primer. And then I'm just going to prep my lips using the Blistex Intensive Repair Lip Balm. Now time for the brows. The first product that I'm going to use is the Australis Browset Eyebrow Perfecting Kit. I like to use the shade in the middle just to outline the front of my brows for a more natural look. Before going in with the Benefit Ka-Brow Pomade in the shade number 5 to fill out the rest of my eyebrows for more shape. Now that the brows are done, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Medium and carve out my eyebrow shape just for a more sharp, defined look. After carving, I'm just going to go in with a small flat top buffing brush and just blend out the concealer before priming my eyes with the same concealer and blending that out. After priming my eyes with the concealer, I like to set my eyes with the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. This creates a smooth, flawless eye base. Before applying eyeshadow, I like to do my eyeliner first, so I'm using the Hyper Sharp Winged Eyeliner by Maybelline. For today's look, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. Starting with the shade Sandalwood, I'm going to take that and start buffing it into my crease as a light transition shade. Next, I'm going to take the shade Shy, which is a pale pinkish purple colour, and put that into the crease as well on top of Sandalwood just to put more colour into the crease. I'm also going back into Sandalwood just to make sure that the colours blend seamlessly. Now taking the shade Man Eater, which is a dark reddish pink, I'm going to start buffing that into the outer corner and into the crease. Now using concealer, I'm going to do a half cut crease. To set the cut crease, I'm going to take the shade Flamingo mixed with Man Eater and use that as the lid shade in the cut crease. On top of that, I'm using the Australis Shimmer Pot in the shade Taupe. It's more of a pinky tone and I'm going to add that on top of the lid. I'm going back in with more Flamingo on the outer corner of the eye just to make it more vibrant and pink. Now I'm just going to redo my eyeliner because it faded when I was doing my eyeshadow. For foundation, I'm using a mixture of the Maybelline Superstay 24 Hour Foundation in the shade Warm Honey and the Maybelline Matte and Poreless in the shade 310, and I'm just going to mix that and put it all over my face before blending it with a beauty blender. Using my favourite concealer, I'm now going to highlight under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, under my chin, and in the middle of my forehead, and blend that out with my beauty blender. Now I'm going to bake with the Laura Mercier translucent powder everywhere I highlighted. With the remaining powder, I'm going to set the rest of my face with the translucent powder as well. Now that my face is all set, I'm going to bronze and contour using the Hoola by Benefit bronzer. And I also like to bake underneath my bronzer just to clean it up a bit and make it more defined. Now I'm just wiping away the bake underneath my eyes and blending that into my skin. And now I'm going to contour my nose and also bake to clean it up a bit. Time for lashes. I'm going to use the Revlon Precision Clear eyelash glue and put that onto my lashes. And while I wait for that to dry, I'm going to put on a coat of mascara. And also use the Models Prefer Brow Fixer Eyebrow Gel and run that through my brows. Now I'm going to apply blush from the Becca and Jaclyn Hill collaboration palette. I'm using the colours Amaretto and Rose Spritz together and applying that onto my cheeks. Now for the lips, I'm using a combination of the LA Girl Natural Cream Lip Liner and MAC's Velvet Teddy. I don't know why I did lips earlier than highlighter, but I guess I just got a bit excited. I'm going to top that with the Essence Wet Look Lip Gloss in the shade So Into It. To finish off the look, I'm going to wipe off the powder underneath my contour. And now I'm just going to spray my face with MAC's Fix Plus before going in and highlighting with Champagne Pop from the Jaclyn Hill collaboration palette. And I'm also going to take a Champagne shade Radiance and Pinky shade Vivid from the BH Cosmetics Spotlight highlighting palette and also use that to highlight my face as well. I'm also adding a bit of Vivid into my inner corners as my inner corner highlight. Lastly, I'm going to finish off the look by spraying my face with multiple setting sprays just to make sure that my face is locked in for the whole day, and this also adds a bit of moisture back into my skin after using all that powder. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hopefully you guys like this look, and if you do recreate it or you do something similar, then don't forget to let me know, comment down below, post a picture, tag me in it, whatever. I don't know. I hope this video somehow inspired you for your makeup look on Valentine's Day. I'm really pleased with how this turned out and how it looks. If you guys like this look, please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Don't forget to also comment what other looks you'd like to see. Yeah! I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, all that kind of stuff, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Oh, I'm so hungry. If you guys are interested in so this is
walk it like I talk it, walk it like I talk it, walk it like I talk it, walk it like I talk it. Woo!